Hi guys, hello. I'm not fully certain I'm live, but these three lovely ladies are telling me that I am. So I just want to say thank you for coming on this chat. I really had this urge to talk to everybody and just thank you all for the love that I've been receiving. सवाल पूछ लो यार. Love you too. थोड़ा deferred होता है क्या ये?
It's a 10 seconds.
हाँ, okay. Danish Alam, which was the best moment of my life. I think it was when I got my first film because that was very unexpected and it was a big deal for me, and I realized that my life was going to be changing completely. So I was driving back home and I didn't even realize that I was crying so much that I couldn't see anything anymore. So I had so many like tears, like happy tears. I don't know what it was. Like I was just being relieved. I don't know what it was. So I stopped the car and I gathered my composure and I called my parents and I told them about it. So I think that is a memory that I remember very, very distinctly because it was such a big thing for me. And it's just been really overwhelming. So I really had to be here and talk to you all personally. And I hope that we do this more often. And I can see there are some questions coming, which is very nice. Hi, hello, hi, yeah. One guy just said yeah. Okay, okay. So guys, just ask me some questions, okay? Because like, hi to everybody. Now let's have some questions. I love you too, Apek Khan. Hi. 250 comments so far. Why can't I read them? I'm good. Thank you. Udit Sharma, thank you so much. So glad you liked it. Abdul Haldi from Afghanistan, how are you? I'm very good, Abdul. How are you? Chetan Verma, the day is going really good. I just did some readings and it's going really well. Rashmi Rai saying she likes me so much she can't tell, but tell na. Tell na, Rashmi. Anmol Basant, this question about which three Khan was the best to work with, this is like the worst question ever, because the whole point of being able to work with all three people is that you had had thrice the fun of working with three amazing people and who are so good at what they do and who have achieved so much in life. And for somebody like me this is still I would say I've not had that kind of experience in the number of decades that they've put into Indian cinema. So I feel like there's always something to learn from them, and I can't possibly say who was the best. For me, I was just happy that I was getting to work with all three of them. Thank you, Bunny Bawa. Love you too, Gurpreet Virdi. सब हाय हाय बोल रहे हैं. सवाल पूछ लो. Mohsin Farid, love you from Pakistan. I said your name, Mohsin. There, you asked me to say your name. Nisar Bohal has asked me who's my favorite actress in Bollywood. Actually, I can't name one because everyone's doing so well. But I feel like I really enjoy watching Alia on screen because I think she's a very natural performer, and I can see her growth as an actor, and she's so young, and despite that, she has that kind of maturity as an actor. So I think she's a very intelligent person. I really like Alia. I think even Deepika is a very good actor. Kangana is a phenomenal actor. So everybody is actually quite good, actually. Yeah, it must be so hard for you all. Rahil Alvi saying my reading is so slow, yaar. Your writing is so slow, yaar. Just write some questions also. Usman has asked me who my favorite singer is. My favorite singer, I love Mohit Chauhan and Arijit Singh, Sunidhi. Yeah. Saiful Islam asked me if I didn't become an actress, what would be my second choice? See, right now I can't think of anything, but at that time when I was Before I became an actress, I was a model, so I thought that is what I was going to do for the rest of my life. Then I also wanted to be an IS officer. Then I also wanted to be a journalist. So I mean, I wanted to be so many things. So I think it's better to be an actress because being an actress, you can be many things. Like I played a wrestler in Sultan, and I played a journalist in PK. So best of everything. Vinayak Bhatia, what kind of music do I listen to? Nothing in particular actually. I like Bollywood music, but I like melodies. Like I like romantic songs. I like lyrics a lot. So I like songs with meaning. And then I also like Badshah ka music. I love Akra swag. Then I mean, internationally, uh, like alternative rock, like just chill music. Ooh. Hi everyone who's just joining in. I guess that's why you're saying hi now. I'm just waiting for questions, guys. Hi Prince Richard Angelis Biranu. क्या नाम है आपका यार? Asta Sharma is asking me one fitness tip and she's crying. Why are you crying? One fitness tip. Honestly, it's more about what you eat than how much you work out because health is actually made in the kitchen. So it's very important that you follow a good diet and also, of course, you work out, but then you give your body a lot of rest also, which is very important. Recovery is very important. Thank you, Pugalendi Jawaharlal. That's a very, very sweet compliment. Thank you so much. Arpit Saxena has asked me what's my favorite cuisine. See, earlier I used to like Japanese food a lot, but I've turned vegetarian 2 years ago. So now I'm just discovering actually what happens is when you've been non-vegetarian all your life and then suddenly you turn vegetarian, then it takes some time to understand what is it that you like to eat and what is it that you want to eat. So right now, I eat like ghar ka khana, which is my favorite cuisine, if that's a cuisine. So just like regular dal, sabzi, roti, very like regular. Do I like pizza? Veer Meer. Not really. Nah. Yeah, not so much. Hi, hello. Hi, hello. I'm good. Hassan Raza. I'm doing great. Akshat Ruhela, thank you. Thank you that you. Juhi Mehta asked me what genre of films do I like watching. Uh, I like thrillers. I like love stories. Um, or like something which is a bit like unique, kuch alag type. तो मतलब even if it's a love story but with a bit of a twist. Um, I like romantic comedies also if they're good sometimes. Gary Rathod asked me in what state I was born. I was born in Faizabad, Uttar Pradesh. PJ Vinod, love you too. Yeah, actually, yeah, I do like the imp also. Rohit Kapoor, the cutest army kid I have ever seen. Hey Rohit, army, high five. Anza Ahmed, will I ever visit Norway in future? I would love to. Let's see if some film or holiday takes me there. Hmm? Okay, guys, last few questions. Thank you, Mirza Yassin. Hmm?
You can just say a goodbye.
Okay, guys. So I'm going to go now. And thank you so much for joining me and spending some time with me. It's been lovely, and I hope I answered most of the questions I was being asked. And I love you all. Thank you for the love and the support.